RH0016. This AKDY 36-inch wall-mount range hood provides a unique design that will impress your guests with a beautifully crafted brushed stainless steel and glass canopy. The built-in 7-watt LED light bar provides a cool, bright white light for your cooking area. The modern design button controls make operation simple and stylish, giving you easy access to the LED lights and a choice between 3 different fan speeds. European styling clear glass canopy will capture steam and smoke. The filter is under the decoration cover. It can be easily removed and is dishwasher safe for a no-hassle clean. It effectively removes steam, fumes, and grease from your cooking area with a powerful blower and aluminum grease filter. The curved round front corners keep your fingers safe from cuts and scrapes. To learn more about our products, look up AKDY at all major online retailers.